John Bogle, founder of Vanguard, one of the world's largest ETF issuer, once said, "In investing, you get what you don't pay for." Mutual funds have long been the go-to choice for many investors looking for professional management. But as market evolve, ETFs have become the big new trend in investing. Why? Because they offer what traditional funds often can't. First, cost efficiency. Lower fees mean you keep more of your returns. Second, flexibility. They trade like stocks, giving you the agility to react instantly. Finally, transparency. You know exactly what you own in real time. But randomly buying a few ETFs isn't a strategy. Real asset allocation requires constant decision making. Which sectors, which countries, how to rebalance when the market turns volatile. Unless you want investing to become your second full-time job, you need a better way to grow your wealth. This is where the general investing by Stashaway portfolio comes in. Based on your risk appetite, Stashaway builds and manages a globally diversified portfolio for you. You will gain instant exposure to a global mix of equities, bonds, and gold ETFs. Stashaway's proprietary technology provides 24/7 risk management and dynamic optimization. It helps rebalance your holding to align with the market shift and seize growth opportunities along the way. Invest smarter, not harder. Download Stashaway now.